Welcome back, students. Today, we're going to learn how to write the alphabet, both in capital and small letters. But before we begin, make sure you have your crayons, markers, or pencils ready, as we're going to have some hands-on fun. Let's start with the letter M. It looks like this in capital, a big M. And in small letter, it's a little m. To write the capital letter M, follow simple steps. 1. Start at the top of the paper, just below the first line. 2. Draw a vertical line straight down to the third line. 3. Draw another vertical line parallel and right side to the first one. 4. Add a small V shape at the bottom center, connecting the two lines. 5. Lift the pencil. To write the small letter M. 1. Start at the top, just below the second line. 2. Draw a vertical line straight down to the third line. 3. Draw a small hump or hill, like a series of bumps, starting from top of the vertical line. 4. Start another hump right next to the first one. 5. Lift the pencil. Great! You have successfully learned how to write alphabet M, both in small and capital letters. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures in learning. Until next time, keep shining and happy learning!